Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video on Today, I'm going through my puppet collection. I'm pretty sure you guys saw Sloth's vid. I have nowhere near as many puppets as him, but I still have puppets, so yeah. So let's start. Alright, so technically this is my first puppet, kind of, I don't know. So here we have Dolphin Puppet. So what happened was he broke. He had like a hole like through his head. That sounds a little bit weird, but yeah, he broke, so I just got another one today. So technically it's my first puppet, but I don't know. So yeah, here's Dolphin Puppet. Next puppet, the technically first one. No, it's second. Shark Puppet. I got him a few days ago here in Emerald Isle. So yeah. Alright, my final puppet. Drum roll, please. Crocodile Puppet. Yes, I am the real crocodile puppet. Hey, I want Tokies. Yay, Tokies. Anyway, sorry for that, guys. Just wanted to fire a few shots, if you know what I mean. So get those out of the way.
Yeah, fun, you suck.
Yeah.
And stop saying that we're copying you, because we're not. You're not the only one who has the puppets.
Exactly. Alright, guys, so that's it for this video. And my favorite puppet out of these three is definitely the shark puppet. I just like the way he looks, and, you know, he's famous. Those are just talkies. And it froze for a second. My phone is at 10%. I gotta charge it after this. So, yeah, make sure to like and subscribe, and yeah, peace.